welcome to our channel. If you're new, you know what to do. Smash that subscriber button. Don't forget to like, comment, or share.
Welcome back, guys. Welcome back. It is what it is. Mbedzi. So, I mean, like, since January at all, I've been seeing a lot of posts from different people, like different followers. I can say that, yeah, what different number, whatever. I think most of the people that are talking, they don't even listen to the radio. They have to say whatever they feel that they need to say, you know. Riko wano rigomba ni abori ndi Tanganedzani Mbedzi ani abori she's a co-host ka show yanga machironi ni abori the morning drive and gomba komba lene osika hone ato wina competition yori abe and ondangi waho abe mhashi wa radio station. So to show uri ni wana uri most people don't even understand uri ojenisa hani ndo zibona musi bachi poster kana zwine ba khongwara zwone was first say sorry bakosokolo they are going with the trend, man. They just going more like with the trend. That's why bachi amba zwine ba khomba zwone pedzi abadibi no hoitia minuno sikene aba honda no ho muthu ngabe othomwa guy none bo mujia hanu bva mjia hone, and you can tell so the reason I'm not gonna. I'm doing this video. I'm not gonna get into all the details, but I'm just gonna touch bases with it. Maybe I'll get time when that only break it down. Maybe Gail and the other guys. What's happening is already one over two. Zo hasha sizwawe. Zuko mubarera. Kave kasho. President Buzeri solutioni inina bano NDP danuri abeka show uko tiyo gudahani if asako for opportunity. Those are some of the questions that I've been asking, because nanga sezana ne babatu na komuzuri kave hune baba hone kana zusu asukere no banazo wa opportunities opambana nao uri basuke hune bakona hezo zwine bakona zone zwine azongo sokotopfi bachisuke basuka hone babeko profit opportunity catch wabori they are fully qualified or they graded what they do. You know, the batu bane they were given opportunity over and over until bachikona zwine bakona zone zwazwino. Now I feel what's happening there that show is I don't know. I might be wrong based on how maybe some of us we used to do things but when we were working on other productions. Dizori which prepare for show of the next morning or the next day. Kananga machironi before the show we ran through the ideas of how we're gonna have the show on the day, the flow, the design, the transition, all those things. Uri rikononga risingoba surprise when uchkwambiwa uchko exchange the ideas in mapungu wanelori we are on the same page. So somehow it seems like now na problem she's not getting briefed enough, or as a joke, and then she end up laughing a lot. Hana input enough. Then which means then she needs to be given a platform. I mean, like, you know, okay, when you'll come up with this, okay, we'll do this, okay, let's do this, let's do that. Come on. Tere been on radio for quite some time. So probably zofunza wa asizwawe. That's why I'm on about to struggle, kind of the ball struggling to connect the way people want. But hola one had to tanga to pedzana even a year. So it's something I don't see how people want to push it out. It's easy these days on social media or assassinate the career zabongwe batu ngoria nu nikobona zorio zuzanye hunena baone. So there are people that definitely do that and they enjoy doing that. And they don't care about how other people feel. You know, because if for find radio you got to improve it. I mean, same people that said the radio needs to improve. Niko body improve, but you don't even engage social media with the station. What you do is but the topic it's there. They need you to engage. You can't even engage. There's nothing. But you quickly saying the radio is not doing or being shaping the youth to the right direction. You are failing to do that also on your side. If you want the radio to, then engage. Let's see what can you bring on the table, So there's a lot of things that the listeners, and I want to once in a while, she can't sound like come on. Because you listen to certain radio doesn't mean I teach is the other radio. You always bring metro. Hey, where? Who cares what you listen to? There's people that listen to that radio station. If you don't have comments, sometimes maybe I think people should just keep quiet. But what I think in Zori, they need to allow her to have more to say around different topics. Maybe let her lead from time to time. Maybe for 30 minutes after the news headline, give her that time to play around so that people can get to understand that she's good at what she does. That's why she won the competition. But if she's not getting that opportunity to speak or to try and lead on the show, she end up being somebody that is just there to say yes, no, and nodding their head, yeah, and laughing. Come on. I don't know, but what comes to Nanga is ngori unamapungo nwambiwa angari hadiwi. So can't program ya duba obasinayo or what we gonna touch base on, because I feel she needs to have that and she needs to know what's happening. But when I listened from time to time, because now I don't always listen all the time, like we have things to do every day. But when you get a chance, you do listen. So when I listen, I felt that she was doing great. It's just then there where I felt she needs to improve. But I believe that she's going to improve and she's going to do better. Let's give her a chance. And let's come up with a solution. Because we can't just blame her and say she's a problem. Where are the teachers that's supposed to teach her what needs to be done? Where are the people that needs to guide her? Or this is how it's done on the mainstream. You can't be assassinating people's career like that. Next thing in the one could, but one of the details, one of the Facebook. You should have spoken. Even if the person have spoken, you will be attacking because you're always on the attacking mode. You're always on the dragging mode. Always trying to find how people that are trying to do something, how do you drag them down? That's what social media has turned into. People have a voice to destroy. And they don't even think about other people's lives. So I feel TT, Ntanga, Double T, you are doing good. You just need to be given more platform to express yourself and be able to be in charge from time to time. If you have listened to some of the shows where you find that there's a new young presenter that you're given opportunity, there is the time where you find that the first and the second hour and half, you find that the main host is busy running that, but the last 30 minutes is given to maybe the one that is learning to trying to run things, be in charge there, be in control, trying to gel, be fun and all those things so that it all works hand in hand. And one thing you need to understand is some of these shows is difficult but to connect. And if you want her to go to the other show, which show will she go to that need co-hosting? Because morning drive and afternoon drive, those are the shows that definitely that they have the host co-hosting. Most of the shows you are on your own with your producer and you just doing what you gotta do, So there are people that have left radio because of social media, because people are attacking them. The person comes in just for a month. There's people that will spend hours and hours digging old pictures, saying, no, the reason you can't even do this because look at your pictures, look at this. They just drag people and do not care about people's feelings, So this is something I just wanted to brush a little bit, touch there. I'm not really going deep into it, I guess people that are working with her, they need to give her more time, give me opportunity. Make sure uri zinewa doamba ngahazo, zinewa kushuma ngahazo in the day, una more information, because most of the show they are produced a day before. It's just then there where you add what is happening now or what just happened. So can be involved, like allow her to be involved in things so that she can be able to learn before the vultures can finish her off. She has a bright future. She just needs adjustment day to day, and she'll be good, man. She's great. We had her. The reason people voted for her because supposedly for Zor Uyakon. So I think as Taizo ndiane mafungori hakoto wana chikara man Terry artendele wana gomba karadzi opportunity chori aitachiva on the floor, refusori offers with you, but technically sina be when ndichezo sokore nobvanga pachigodini engage ani kazi topic uri hukono vana zvinji zvine na radio dzamba zone, not so kudzwa ngodulumelisa ingadulumelisa every show ngodulumelisa eish. Namara here, guys. You can see the boss is calling. Gail is calling. So yeah, I gotta speak to Kuri, so aka man girl.